Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can pin YouTube to taskbar. So here, in order to get a quick access, no need to type youtube.com. There is a more tools. Here you can click three dot at the top corner of your screen. There's a more tools. And if you didn't find a shortcut, maybe you can find it on a cast, save and share. And here we go. You can click on create shortcut. And here, create a shortcut to this page and click create. Now here, the YouTube shortcut is already on your desktop. And also you can try to install this YouTube app. No need to open your Google Chrome. It's just like a standalone YouTube app. Just try to install it on your PC. As you can see, I already installed the YouTube app on my system, so there is no PC icon. Usually if you're not installed YouTube app, you are not yet installed YouTube app, there's a PC icon at the top of your at the search box or search a feature. There's a PC icon. You can click it in order to install this YouTube app. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also, link this button below. See you in the next video.